Good morning, it is ClayTrader, and I'm going to try to catch a live trade here. Surprise, surprise, I'm trading Facebook, so I will keep you posted right now on any sort of trades that I may make. Should know that the day just opened up, so it's 9:31 a.m. Eastern time, so opening bell just rang, and let's see what happens. Okay, currently I have an order in to short some at 59.85. If it can get up there, just like that as an area, looking at some of the other time frames. But 59.85 is where I'm going to go for my initial short. So we'll see if it can get up there, and if it can, well, maybe it'll happen right here. See if it can break through. And as you can see, you can tell it's the market just opened, all sorts of volatility over here. So it didn't quite get up there, but I will keep you posted. Okay, I've changed my order to 59.45. It's broken through that key level. So I like the possibility of it bouncing up and then pulling back to at least fill me at 59.40. But who knows, maybe this is going to not bounce up anymore before it starts to really pull back here. Yep, looking like I missed that opportunity there. So I may be needing to hop over to the long side of things. So now we're getting a bounce here. See if it can fill me. Nope. Okay, now I'm in. Just try to go for a little score here at 59.40. Not the best candle to see happening right here. But I do have plenty of capital left to be able to build a bigger position if I need to. So that's what I will do. Again, order to cover down there at 59.40, maybe needing to build a bigger position here. And that is fine. Like I said, I have plenty of capital left. But what I may be doing is just might need to accept the fact that I didn't quite get the best entry point there at the 59.45, and I may just up my, in fact not may, I am going to up that and just accept the fact that I didn't get the best entry point there. So if it pulls back, then I'll just get out, cover my commissions, make I don't know, 15-20 bucks, and then just take it at that. But that is the current plan. I will keep you posted. Obviously, I had hoped to have been out of this one by now. If you've watched any of my past videos, you know I like the quick moves. But that's just not going to be the case with this one. So I will keep you posted with any updates. Okay, it's getting somewhat down. All right, and then there I am out. And there's my 59.40s. But, okay, so I'm up $30. As you see, that trade didn't go well. So let's see if I can kind of redeem myself and get a better entry point here. Okay, now I have an order in to short some at 59.90. We'll see if it can push up there. You can see here just a big candle all of a sudden. So this candle, my theory is that it's pretty overextended right now. If it does, I'd like to see it hit it on this candle. If another candle starts to form, I might back that order off some. But for right now, so this example right here, let's see, 85. I'll leave it at 90 for the time being. I'll keep my eyes on level 2. But again, current short order at, and there's a big order over here. I think at 59.75 I saw it. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. But right now, just looking to try to go short again. Going for some shares on the long side at 59.35. If it wants to go down there. So you can see here I have orders now from both sides of the market, but looking like that 35, the bounces happened. So never mind on that. I'm just going to cancel that. I will keep you posted. Well, if you've watched any of my past videos, you know in the first half an hour I've made anywhere from $400 to $700, and here I am still sitting at $30, and it is 10:02 a.m. Eastern time. So just goes to shows that trading is It's not a routine thing where everything's always going to happen the same way. So just throwing that out there. I'll try to catch some more trades, but I'm not gonna force myself into something just for the sake of catching trades on video. But $30 right now, and it's already over a half an hour into the day, so quite different than some of the previous videos I've made. But it is what it is. Okay, now I have an order in a short at 59.65. As you can see, this may be stupid, so maybe we're gonna get an example of getting desperate here to make a trade. I mean, it's not totally irrational, but it's probably not the best possible area either. But with the way today's going, who knows? I might not even get filled on this. So we will see. Well, I'm apparently not very smart. I've been talking to myself for the past about 60 seconds because I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. Anyways, I shorted at 59.80. I canceled that 59.65 order. Had to slap myself in the face, dunk my head in some cold water. Trading's already psychologically difficult enough, and then you add in the component of trying to force yourself in to get more trades for the sake of the video. That's not a good recipe for success. So just had to kind of snap myself back to reality and remind myself, my trading comes first, not the sake of not trading just for the sake of capturing some things on video. But even the 59.85 not looking like the best entry, so I'll probably need to short some more. Which is fine. I'll just need to let this settle down some, and then I will trade from there. But yeah, I will keep you posted. I need to figure out another spot. I'm going to try to build a position. You can see it's getting pretty overextended here, so I'd like to try to build a bigger position and maybe get a bigger score here. So I shorted again. Some more shares up at 60.10, so my average is 59.97.5, and I need just it to pull back here to mid 95s. So I'm out there, and now I need it to hit 59.93 to get me out of the remainder of my shares. See if it can roll back over. I'm liking this candle that's forming, so I'll give it some time to take some more shape. But I'm out of some of my shares. Now I just need to see if it can roll back over to the lower 59.90s, 59.93 to be exact, to get me out of the shares. But there seems to be quite a bit of support now all of a sudden taking shape here at 60. So it may not pull down there, and I may just need to do, I'm just going to change that to 95, and I'll cover the remainder of my shares right there. But again, I've gotten some off the table. Now if I need to, I can short some more and just keep working the trade. But I mean, this is getting pretty overextended here. It's got to pull back at some point. So we'll see what happens with it. I will keep you posted. Don't want the video to drag out too long. Okay, I'm looking to get filled here with my final position. Well, it looks like you can see my order right there highlighted. And I'm just right at that border where it goes down there and it won't drop down there quite enough. So it just needs to pull down just a tad more, and I should be out, and now we're back up above 60. So see if I can catch the fill. Again, you can tell by watching that. If that turns to green, then you know that I was filled. But 96, typical. I want to get out at 95, and 96 seems to be that level of support. So I'll let it play out a little bit more here. Talking in hindsight, I should have shorted some more up there, but I didn't, and I'd be out now and I'd be fine. But let's see, 9 minutes, so video is really starting to drag out. But we're right on the, I'll let it go a little bit more, see if I can get filled here. Okay, 95, nope, see again, 95, there's my order right there. And I've got no shares, so not even a partial fill. All right, well, I'll pause and I'll keep you posted. And it just happened a little too fast, but I am out. So I don't even know what I made on the trade. What, 30? So $75 I made on it. So a lot of hassle for nothing. But I was able to, as you saw, work my way out from a pretty bad entry point to still coming out with $75 in profit. And I'm just gonna wrap this video up. This is just not a good day. What time is it? Almost an hour in, and I'm only up $105. So it's just one of those days. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep trading or not. But anyways, yeah. Hope you learned something. If anything, just take away from it that trading is not always all glamorous. There's some days where it's just like this, where it's just kind of, it's not like I lost any money, but it's just like you're trying to walk through mud to get profits, So an hour, $105, and if you've, like I said, if you've seen my other videos where I've had, $600-700 in the first half an hour. Heck, there's one video where I made $135 in 1 second on Facebook, and here I'm in an hour and I've only made $105. So, but these are probably some of the best videos to learn from. Like I said, trading, it's great, but it's not like every single day money rains from the sky. So if anything, take that away from it. And thanks for listening. Hope you learned something.